What if your expired green card is no longer enough to prove your status? Could a tweet or Instagram post impact your green card or even citizenship process? And why are green card holders now required to register, even if they've lived in the US for years? Let's uncover the real story behind the sweeping 2025 USCIS changes. Green card holders. This year isn't the time to get comfortable. 1. Social media vetting is now required. Starting April 29, 2025, USCIS has introduced a new layer of background checks. Now, if you're applying for or already hold a green card, you'll be asked to submit all your active social media handles as part of your immigration file. This is part of a broader national security effort. Agents will review your public posts for anything that could raise a red flag: political speech, hate speech, or anything that might suggest threats to public safety. Is this a privacy violation? Maybe. But for now it's law. Keep your posts professional, avoid heated topics, and definitely don't joke about immigration. 2. Mandatory registration for ages 14+. Here's something many green card holders haven't heard. Starting January 20, 2025, all non-citizens, including green card holders, must register under the Immigration and Nationality Act once they turn 14. If you weren't fingerprinted during your visa process, you'll now have to create a USCIS account, fill out Form G325R for biometric registration. Complete this within 30 days of turning 14 or arriving in the US. Why it matters. Failure to comply could mean fines, immigration holds, or worse, removal proceedings. 3. Green card renewals extended to 36 months. Renewing your green card? Here's some relief. Starting September 10, 2024, when you file Form I-90 to renew an expiring or expired green card, the receipt notice will now act as proof of status for 36 months, instead of just 24. You can work, travel, and provide proof of residency using that receipt, but only if you carry both your expired green card and the I-90 receipt together. This extension helps during processing delays, giving you more flexibility, but don't leave home without those documents. 4. COVID-19 vaccination no longer mandatory. There's been a big shift in medical exam requirements. As of March 11, 2025, the CDC has removed the COVID-19 vaccine from its list of mandatory immunizations for green card medicals. This change applies if you're filing Form I-693 for adjustment of status. Civil surgeons will mark the COVID vaccine section as not required. Why it matters. This removes a barrier for applicants who had medical or religious objections. It also simplifies the paperwork and may reduce processing time for some. 5. Stricter scrutiny for marriage-based green cards. Applying for a green card through marriage? The process just got harder. USCIS has reinstated mandatory interviews for all marriage-based green card cases, even those that were previously waived. Couples now need to show solid evidence of a legitimate relationship. Joint leases or mortgage, shared utility bills or bank accounts, photos, insurance policies or affidavits. And yes, interview questions will be more detailed. Delays are expected, so the sooner you prepare your documents, the better. Pro tip: consult an immigration attorney if you're unsure. A small mistake could trigger a denial or a request for more evidence. 6. New form additions now mandatory. From May 29, 2025, USCIS will only accept the January 2025 versions of several major immigration forms. This includes Form I-90, Green Card Renewal, Form I-765, Employment Authorization, Form I-821D DACA, Form I-589 Asylum, and others related to TPS, adoption, and special immigrant categories. Using an older version of any of these will lead to automatic rejection of your application. Double-check you're submitting the latest edition by downloading directly from uscis.gov. Final thoughts. 2025 is shaping up to be a year of tight immigration enforcement and increased digital tracking. Green card holders can no longer afford to be passive. Stay informed. Stay compliant. And if in doubt, always ask questions before making immigration decisions. What do you think? Are these changes helpful or too strict? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this update useful, hit the like button, subscribe to Immiscope, and turn on the bell so you never miss a critical immigration alert.